Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful financial advisor layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the Financial Advisor Layout Pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really professional. It has a beautiful color palette and high quality images included, which you can use without any restrictions. And you can also find some background shapes that make this layout pack look really nice as well. Alright, so if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the Financial Advisor Layout Pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are included, and these are all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. So this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of the different layouts for yourself without actually installing them on your website first. So if you really like the homepage, for instance, and you want to use it on your own website, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. So when creating a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here we have all of our different layout packs again that come with Divi for free. So go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Financial Advisor Layout Pack. Click on it, select your layout of choice, and click on the green button that says Use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course you can modify written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make changes throughout your entire page design. So if you go to the Design tab over here in the text module, for instance, and go to the heading text settings, you'll see the font that's being used, and you can change that throughout your entire design by right-clicking, clicking on Find and Replace, and we'll find this font within this page and we'll replace it with another font of our choice. And we'll also tick off the box that says Replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading font, and click on Replace. So as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to change throughout your entire layout, and you can basically do that for each and every design option you have. You can also play around with Divi's drag and drop options to create the white space you want. You can open each element and add custom settings to it to complete the design and create something that you love and your visitors will love. So go ahead and play around with this layout pack and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.